Can't even touch the freaking back bumper either. Wow, that's just one slick Rick thing. So, we're back at our favorite place. What happened here, Connor? Wow. It's kind of hard.
The one off, headlights done.
They got the Denali right here. Paint matched. Kind of hard to see in the sunlight.
And the back open.
Why did it never get pulled out? I mean, that's what I mean. This, like, it has to stay black. Look how scratched it is. That you don't need them to tow anyways. Just leave them like that.
Yeah, this the next one you're gonna build it.
Dude, those headlights need done bad.
He doesn't know what he wants. He wants to go.
I might want to do 1500.
Yeah,
You got hook up for those?
I mean, I can. But any hookup I have still isn't cheap. I mean, they're still like stupid money. But and then they have a cord charge on each headlight too. So unless you send back the old headlight, they charge you $100 per headlight just for the cord.
So you're only getting $200 then for your headlights.
Exactly. And you could sell them for more than that. You know what I mean? But they expect it to be like a damage.
Yeah, looks fucking dope right there. You can really see the Denali pop there when the lights are on. That's not hyper flashing.
Yeah, that one's fine.
What's up, everybody? As you see, we came down here today to pick up Connor's truck. He's got headlights done right here. He's got the Denali put in here, switchback top and bottom. Saw some shots of it here in the daylight. Sun's going down right now, so we should be able to get some nighttime shots. Things are gonna look pretty good. But we did use Parker's truck here as our chariot to get down here. I think we're gonna head home right now. But if you guys have any paint matching stuff you wanna get done, or you wanna get headlights done, Sean down here at Peach Bottom does awesome work. His info's in the description. But like I said, we're gonna head home now. Probably get some rollers for you. What's up, Ryan? Good morning, buddy.
I don't know the block.
Morning. Thanks. I'm ready to go to work.
I'm probably gonna be at work till like freaking 8.
Takes me over an hour. I'm gonna be late.
What are you doing? You jacking up off the fucking fortune bar. There's the folks. I wasn't fucking up the wheel.
I bet you I did.
No, it's just rubber. I hope I got enough on this jack to get her up.
I think I know a guy with boards.
Say it.
Of course he got.
Oh, I'm pissed. You got a little bit in the car.
What's up, you?
What's up, YouTube? I should be on the beach right now. But instead, we gotta have badass wheels and tires.
American forces there.
They're not fucked up.
Look at that, dude. You're great. All right, we're gonna grab this one here.
Fucking bitches better send me the fucking flyer. Fucking feel it here.
Here we go.
Hopefully it's cool. Well, I got it actually last night down and rolling down the beach. I should never even fucking took it. What do we need more? Yeah. You ain't got no more.
Well, yeah, I know, but we got to fucking.
Ryan needs to get a box. Go bigger. Oh, we need a box.
But for context, text here. This is the next morning after we just went to Peach Bottom. Parker here was going to the beach with his woman here, and he blew a tire right in front of Ryan's house. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but like Ryan's house is legit right there. This is Route 100, and it's a beautiful Saturday morning out here.
Yo, I'm ready to vlog.
What's up, Ryan? To the rescue again.
What you say? Your fucking things aren't even on. They should be white right now. Yours here, so something ain't on. I have it on auto.
Are we talking about lights or are we getting a tire fix, people?
Put it on what?
Fix the tire.
Put it on, go turn it on power.
Yeah, then they're all on.
Yeah.
Need more, I got some.
Well, what are we doing? What's going on?
So Parker, was this the second or third time this was broken down?
Never sold my Mustang.
Curse.
Parker never let me down.
Lights on, they all line.
Well, yeah, I told you.
I don't know why I was thinking they'd come on during the day. There was no. I ain't thinking properly today.
We've got a big mulch job that we got woken up for again. Got woken up. Now, why would you put me in an open truck bed? What's this? You got a tonneau cover on? Fuck it, we'll throw it in yours. Well, fuck you, dude. I don't know why you. I got to lift it up 3 inches higher. Yeah, that is right. You do have a lot of weight in the back of it.
Oh, alright, we're gonna go. Look at that new sticker back there. Wow.
Yeah, Parker, you're the only one now.
That is Parker's. We used Parker.
The one that you gave me.
I have another one, yeah, but it's bigger.
Did Chuck give him one? What the hell?
I'd be pissed.
He gave me one that was all stepped on from floor wheeling and everything.
Now for next week.
I know. So you're gonna be your 2's job during the week. Get me a tie.
Are we going to get a tie?
Stu's, I just called 3 count. Maybe they'll send me one up.
Down, down. We're in Pennsylvania.
Down, up, sideways. All right, I'm going to work.
How's that, Connor?
I wouldn't drive around like my truck looking like that, but hey.
Dude, you lost a wheel. There we go. This is gonna be this is a 90-point turn. Oh no, we got clearance on one side now, dude. So. What's this in the back of this fucking ollie bed, dude?
Yep.
How you run it? You just
That's what you do on these long vacations. You gotta bring the oil with. Here we go.
Oh, we got
Certified DOT 3 brake fluid.
All you need yet is the coolant.
And transmission fluid.
Where's the coolant?
I was going to stop and get that at all those.
all the fluids.
Well, we can take this with in case something else happens.
Your speakers are gonna fly.
Yeah, I don't think you need your socket for your lug nuts because the truck ain't going. Well, Stanley Gurmey's doing a nice job with the truck.
Yeah, we're unloading this. Me and Connor taking this white little thing home, and she's not making it to the beach. And he's a happy camper, right, Port?
I love my life. That's why you live in a quarter mile.
You know what it is? You're wearing a Kevin Hart.
Yeah. Yeah. If you had a number 5 car at Larson, dude, this wouldn't happen.
You would have made it down there in record time because he's winning right now.
Now it's together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different road. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different road. We getting crazy in